Are you? Do you want to replace one of these breakers? You don't know how to? I'm going to teach you step by step how you can do it. All right, so as you can see, this is the old one. So as you can see, you have to make sure that this gap or the slot here is the same one as the new one. The new one needs to be as the same as the old one. This is the old one. You know, this bar was broken. So all you have to do is here you have the bolts. So basically, you have the wires that goes inside of the house. You have to untie them with the Allen key. Make sure everything is insulated so that way you don't get electrocuted. Here is the two hot ones that go. It comes from the electrical meter, so make sure that you have some gloves or something, or don't touch them so that way you don't get electrocuted. There is no breaker or anything like that. The one that comes from the meter. So if you get electrocuted, you get toasted and you die. Otherwise, you can remove the meter or call the company and say, hey, turn off the power. That will be your best bet if you don't know, if you never done it before. So you have to pull it out and then make sure that you hook this in first and then the second one like that. And that's it. If you do it without the wires, it will be way easier. If you have the wires, it's going to be more difficult. So that is all you have to do. Okay, so basically here you have the breaker is this like this. So we are going to replace it. So in order to do that, what I recommend you is with the Allen key, you can remove these, make sure that they are insulated so that way you don't get electrocuted, or you have to remove the electric meter, or you can call the company so that way they can disconnect it. So basically, once you have these without the wires, these are the wires that are coming from the house. So these wires, they should not have any power. So the power is coming from the meter to here to the connectors that you have here on the top of the breaker. So once the wires are out, all you have to do is just pull it like that, and it will come loose. So basically, you have to unhook it, from here, from the top, and it will be hooked by the hook that you have here at the bottom. So make sure when you're going to install it back, that the wire has the electric grease, and that's it. So now I'm going to keep showing you so that way you know how to do it. Okay, first thing that you have to do is just remove the screws that you have here, remove the whole panel as you can see, and then I'm going to show you inside how you can replace it. I had to take the wires out because it was like very difficult to put it back in. So all you have to do, just as you can see here, all you have to do, put it like that, push it, and that's it. And then after that, you can insert the wires. Make sure that it's in the off position. And then you can put one at a time, maybe both. There we go. All right. Now we have both inside. All we have to do now is grab the impact driver. And that's it. Now, oof. Make sure that it doesn't come loose. All right, good. It's in place. Now we can put the cover back. We're going to take some pictures. Yeah, so we can put this back. Make sure that it fits perfectly. There we go. Wasn't fitting right. I think it got bent. Okay, nice. Make sure that it fits here. And we should be good. Put the screws back in. All right. Now we have power, and we should be good.